Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to share something I got for Christmas this year. It is a small palm-sized mini oscilloscope. It uses these small RF connectors on the end here, but it comes with two probes and a couple different attachments. It's super handy. I mean, you can see how thin it is. It's like about 10 millimeters or so. You can have two input channels. It has a wave generator output channel, which is super cool, and it has data logging functionality, and it can record to a CSV, bitmap, a bunch of different formats. It's super cool. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to a little PWM circuit and just show you some of the options that it has. Okay, so what I'm going to look at is just a simple waveform. It's coming off of this PWM generator circuit that I have. I have channel A turned on, B is off, and C is off. You can see the signal right here. You can watch it change as I adjust that potentiometer. Then you can go in and measure your duty cycle, frequency, RMS, V average, VPP, whatever that is. Then you have file management. There's a waveform generator. You can generate a square wave. There we go. Sine, triangle, sawtooth, at different frequencies and different duty cycles. Super cool. You get a little output right over here next to the channel A and B. And then you have the out, and you can use it as a wave generator, which is super cool. You got your settings, calibration, product info about. But yeah, so this is basically your main dials on the oscilloscope under page 1. And then page 2 is measurement options. The duty cycle's going a little nuts right now. I think that's due to my circuit, honestly. It's behaving a little crazy, but it shows you the frequency, RMS, V average, VPP. I don't know what that is. Super cool little oscilloscope. Super great if you need to, if you travel and you do electronics work. This is great for just debugging simple stuff. Obviously, it doesn't have all the features of, full oscilloscope, but something that fits in the palm of your hand that's smaller than, I don't know, it's about the size of an iPod mini, for those of you that remember those. Yeah, super handy little tool. It comes with two probes, a charging cable. You get, two oscilloscope probes just like this. A 1 or 10x attenuation. You get little grabber ends. Super cool. And it uses a unique connector. It's very small. Actually, let's show you on this one. Yeah, it's very small. So you will have to get connectors that are of this type, not the normal B and C connectors that most full-size oscilloscopes use. So if you're concerned about that and you don't want to have to get different probes, that may be something to consider. But since this comes with two probes and it's really just for like a very simple debugging and stuff, I think the probes that come with it will probably be fine for whatever you're going to use, a pocket-sized oscilloscope for. Anyway, that is the mini oscilloscope. It is very cool. About 130 bucks. Definitely worth it if you're thinking about, if you need an oscilloscope and you're looking at, old analog ones on eBay that are, 100, 200 bucks. There are advantages to analog oscilloscopes, but if you're just a hobbyist like me and you do just basic electronic stuff, something like this is going to be super convenient. It's not going to take up, a lot of space on your desk like the big analog one is on mine right now. Yeah, very, very cool little gadget. If you're an electronics hobbyist and you want an oscilloscope, or you want to not get a huge oscilloscope, this little gadget is super awesome. I'm gonna put the link for it in the description. I believe you can get them on Amazon still. If not, I will try to find where you can get these. Yeah, so far this seems like a really nifty little tool that's going to save a lot of space and be super portable and allow you to take, an oscilloscope places that you wouldn't normally be able to take it. So I think this is super cool. I'm really excited to use it more. So I wasn't sent this or anything. This is just something I got for Christmas. I thought it was super cool and I wanted to share with you guys. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about it in case you had a use for this. So that's the DS212 MiniWare Mini Oscilloscope. I think it'll save a lot of space on my desk and definitely make my workbench more portable. Let me pack up and take stuff places more often and easier. So looking forward to using it some more. I hope this video was at least entertaining, if not informative. Be sure to have a great rest of your day. Also be sure to be kind to someone, and I will see you next time. Peace.